Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video wishing everyone Happy New Year as we wrap up 2024 and approaching 2025. I'm really hoping that 2025 is going to be a much different year. 24 was somewhat a twilight zone for many of us, especially 3D artists. But in this video, I just wanted to do a gentle reminder. I just started the Discord channel and it was so much fun to see what you are working on or how you are progressing in following some of the tutorials. So if you don't mind sharing your work, it would be amazing if you could join the Discord channel and let me show you a couple posts that I see so far. The channels that I added are art from the tutorials, work in progress. I have 3D questions and a random. If I go into the art from the tutorials, it's so cool to see what people are working on. So here's something that Alien posted, and this is the robot from the robot tutorials. And I applaud Alien. I think that looks incredible. I also asked to see the animated version of that. That would be so much fun. So that's amazing. I also see something from Christian, and Christian is incredible because he followed the turkey tutorial, but he modified it and added his own spin. So on top of all that, he was able to print this turkey from ZBrush with colors. And I think that looks absolutely amazing and so much fun. All right, here's a few more shots of the turkey, and it is just so cool to see what he was able to do in ZBrush. That's really cool. All right, he also posted his Santa version from the tutorials as well. I'm really enjoying these. I think he did a great job also painting him and adding creases and all of that. That looks really cool. And on top of that, there's also an animation which he was able to create, and following the tutorials you could see that we built a character, then we textured it, and then we plugged it into motion capture. So Christian picked an awesome dance here for Santa as well, which is so fun to see. If you also like to print the ZBrush characters, I would love to know what type of printer you're using. I know that there are many different ones out there. I also would like to get one to play around with this stuff. So the one that Christian is using is called Elegoo Saturn 2. Honestly, I don't know anything about printers, but the printout of this turkey looks pretty sweet. All right, so if you would like to join Discord, there's going to be a link below this video, and it's just a fun way to keep in touch, see what everyone is working on, and you know, if you have any questions or you have other things that you are working on, it would be fun to see as well. But anyways, again, Happy New Year. Thank you for following me this year, and hopefully we're going to make a lot more cool stuff in 2025. All right, thanks for everything, and I'll see you guys in our next video.